Ready for a refreshing reset? Try this orange and aloe vera detox drink recipe, perfect for a 3-day cleanse that revitalizes your body from the inside out. This powerful combination harnesses the vitamin C-rich oranges, known for boosting the immune system, and aloe vera, celebrated for its digestive health benefits. Here's how to make it. Blend the juice of 2 fresh oranges with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, a cup of water, and a dash of lemon juice for an extra detoxifying kick. This concoction not only hydrates, but also aids in flushing out toxins, promoting clearer skin and enhancing digestion. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for 3 consecutive days. It's a simple way to kickstart your metabolism and infuse your body with natural energy. Remember, staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet alongside your cleanse will amplify the benefits. For more health-boosting recipes and wellness strategies, make sure to subscribe and visit our main channel. Let's embrace a healthier lifestyle together, one sip at a time.